Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm really very excited to share with you a wonderful website to blow your mind. Do you generate a creative blog post on any topic just in a few seconds like that? And it would be a search engine optimized content. So feast your eye to this amazing website for today. That is Texta.ai. Texta.ai. Here in this amazing website, just with one click, you can generate creative blog posts in any topic in any field. As you see here, easily generate long form content for your blog, e-commerce, social media, and more. And then it gives you a free trial, which is about 7 days, and without any strings required, no credit cards details, and cancel any time. And then in this Texta.ai website, here you will find amazing features like plagiarism free, multilingual. You can generate your content, your article in any language you want, like Spanish, Portuguese, German, Dutch, and so on, with over 50 use cases and with an integration with Grammarly to correct any spelling and any grammar mistakes. And you will find SEO tools that gives you an area to insert your keywords for better SEO results. Okay, and get creative with no limits. Generate any genre, form, or type of content. So let's try together this amazing website for free from this button. Click over that, continue writing for free. Okay, and now create your free account, continue with email, and here you can insert your details, your name and your email address. So we can grab quickly a temporary email like that, copy, back to our website. Okay, like this one, email address, quickly, password, perfect, I agree, register. It sends a verification message to your inbox. Okay, so go back to your inbox. As you see, activated quickly. So good so far. Go back to main. Okay, and here you can log in, continue with email, your email here, your password, log in. That's it. And as a first glance, it gives you a chance to generate a blog post on any topic to test the speed and the quality of this amazing website. So let's get started here. Okay, and here you can insert some sentences to describe your content. So for example, we can type here, what would, for example, okay, and now we can just generate an article with one click, just in a few seconds, as you see, and you'll find your amazing creative blog post regarding this amazing description and the amazing your topic. As you see, congratulations, you have just created your first blog post. Get started. As you see, this is an amazing introduction, how to survive falling out of an airplane. Okay, you will find subheadings. As you see, subheadings and conclusion. As you see, an amazing and comprehensive blog post regarding your topic. Okay, and here you'll find also amazing features on Texta.ai. So we can go back, okay, and go to this one, these templates, long form or product templates for e-commerce, social ads, startup tools, website copies, and so on. So let's try this amazing template, long form. Here you can generate long form articles, like academic articles depending on some keywords, blog post in any topic, real estate blog post, arts and culture blog, marketing blog articles to promote your products, affiliate products, and so on, e-commerce blog articles, business blog, fitness blog, health and wellness blog, and so on and so forth. Specific templates for specific niches. Okay, so let's try this amazing one, like blog post. Okay, and here you can make your article from scratch, title, outline or subheadings, and your long form article. So let's get started with this one. Describe your blog post you wanted to create. Okay, and here we can try this one, how I traveled on a budget, best trip advice. Okay, and just we can transfer to this advanced mode. It's amazing one. Here you can just select the creativity level. Okay, advanced settings. As you see, just here you can select the article length, medium, large, short, the tone with some styles like informal, descriptive, persuasive, narrative, creative, and so on. Tone, academic, formal, informal, optimistic, pessimistic, or something like that. And now we can just apply. Here you'll find an amazing feature regarding the title, like this one, the title type, like how to type, or big secret, or numbers, asking a question, clickbait, emotional words, hook, inspiration, and so on. So for example, if we select this one, clickbait title, to grab the scrolling eyes and your readers to read your article. So click over that, clickbait, and generate title. Okay, and here you'll find some clickbait amazing titles like this one. As you see, how I traveled on a budget, best trip advice, how to travel on a budget, 10 tips to save money, 5 ways to save money on your next trip, and so on and so forth. So you can generate title. Perfect. Just you can generate outline or subheadings. As you see, introduction and subheadings, H2 and H3 subheadings. As you see, how to travel on a budget, so on and so forth. Okay, and now we can finish to generate a comprehensive and complete article. Okay, so click over that, finish. Okay, and just in few seconds you will find your article ready for you and at your disposal. As you see, introduction, subheadings, and your conclusion with over 1500 words. Okay, as you see, so you can edit them, H1, H2, bold, italic, and so on. Just you can add here some clickable links for affiliate products and something like that. Just you can save your content. Okay, so you can go back, okay, to browse a lot of other features like long form for real estate blog post, art and culture, okay, and something like that. For essay intro, blog outline, essay outline, headline generation. For product, e-commerce blog, real estate blog, health and wellness blog. Okay, for social ads, Google description ad copy, LinkedIn ads, Google headlines, video title generator, Facebook headlines, product description. Okay, for career, you'll find LinkedIn profile summary, LinkedIn profile headline, and much more of these amazing templates or these amazing copies that you can generate from Texta.ai. Okay, so perfectly here you can use Texta.ai for free to generate your amazing articles in any topic in any field. And if you have a look at pricing plans here on Texta.ai, here you'll find amazing pricing plans. We can move on to this monthly plans, starter plan, the Pro Max and the Pro Max Plus with 50,000 words, okay, as you see. And here's an amazing deal from absomo.com. Here you can grab this amazing website with lifetime deal with one-time payment just for $50, as you see, Texta.ai. Okay, here you will find unlimited credits or unlimited words, unlimited user seats, free Grammarly integration, Pro Writing Assistant, Zapier integration coming soon, and so on and so forth, with different languages, multilingual feature, professional articles. As you see, much more of these amazing features you will find here on Texta.ai. And I hope you enjoyed this video and this amazing website. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.